how to recover Telegram account lost phone number. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Telegram application and then tap on start messaging. Now you will be asked to log into your account. So as you can see here, to log into Telegram you need your phone number. Without your phone number you won't be able to log into your Telegram account. But by luckily, if you're logged into Telegram on another device such as your laptop or your desktop to any Telegram application, now there you can log into Telegram using your one-time code. There you will get code from Telegram, so you can simply use that code to log into Telegram. But if in case you are not logged into any other device and you don't have access to your phone number, there is no way out to log into Telegram. So with that in your mind, that's how you recover your Telegram account. And I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.